So when you talk about locations, this one is an absolute perler. It's so close to everything, like ridiculously close. I've just walked from there. 125 Bentons Road in Mornington. It's an absolute dazzler. It's fantastic. And as I mentioned, the location is amazing. You're so close to Benton Square there, walking distance to beaches. This is a ripper of a location. With a fully fenced garden, gate out the front, keep the pooches in and the kids in. Really developed and established garden. It's fantastic. As you enter, the first thing to be impressed by are the timber boards. Timber boards run through the whole property. You've got this great living space, really nice, cozy, proper fire, and a really good space here. It's very, very warm and inviting. You've got a dining space, so you can fit a large table to entertain plenty of friends and a big family. And you have the kitchen. The kitchen's really light, bright, heaps of light in. The cool thing about it, you can be part of the action. You can feel like you're part of the deal here when you're cooking in the kitchen instead of being left out. The main bedroom is of a great size with walk-in robes and a luxurious bathroom. There's a family bathroom central to the whole property. And there are 3 further bedrooms of good proportions with built-in robes. The bedrooms lead to the second living area that also flows straight out to the outdoor entertaining. This is such a cool space to entertain. Look at the size of it. It is enormous and it's very, very private. There's no real neighbours there. You can party all night if you wish. And you can entertain your friends out here as well. This is a really good space. Super low maintenance. There's currently a spa here, but you could have that removed if you like. You've got storage just there and the single garage. It's in an area where you could potentially use it as a consulting suite. You could use it as a podiatrist, a physiotherapist, any stew name. It can be your thing. You're walking distance to Bentons Square. You can walk to the beach. To get to Main Street, it's very close. It's close to transport hubs. You've got buses running past. It's in such a great location. So if you're looking for a great investment, looking for a property to live in with your family, or you're looking for it to be a commercial property, this has got your name all over it.